Find or read reviews that people are talking of Freezimer Ice Maker's Countertop, 33 pounds/24 hours, portable ice maker machine countertop, 9 cubes ready in 7 to 10 minutes, 2 size ice cubes. Self-cleaning ice machine with ice scoop, basket and measuring cup. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose Freezimer Ice Maker's Countertop. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Pounds ice daily production. Freezimer Countertop Ice Maker with 33 pounds of ice per day for your daily needs. Ice basket can store as much as 3.3 pounds/120 prices of ice at a time. If a cup of coffee needs 5 to 10 ice cubes, ice maker machine with 2.8 liters water tank can satisfy 185 to 370 cups a day. Size ice cubes. Selectable. Popular bullet-shaped ice cubes produced by Freezimer portable ice maker are not easy to melt or stick. And 2 different sizes of ice cubes, small/large, available to be selected. Great for barbecue, basement bars, coffee shop, home party, and more. Ice cubes ready in 7 to 10 minutes. The Ice Machine Maker Countertop adopt powerful compressor with thicker PUs, 26GR600. A refrigerant makes refrigeration system stable and efficient. Just 7 to 10 minutes to get 9 prices bullet-shaped ice cubes. Enjoy fresh chilled wine, whiskey, beer, juice, soda all day long. Cleaning function. Ice Maker's Countertop with self-cleaning function that greatly facilitates your daily maintenance work. You only need to add water to the reservoir and select clean mode to start the auto cleaning function. After cleaning, the drain plug at the bottom of ice machine can be removed to drain the water. Induction technology. The compact small ice maker adopts advanced infrared sensor technology, whether it's running out of water or the ice basket reaching its max capacity. It will stop working and the indicator light will light red. A perfect Christmas gift for your family and friends who like chilled beer or beverages. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.